Good afternoon, I'm Sangeeta. I'm from La Palazzo Residences. So we are an apartment with 92 houses. Our journey goes back to the days when we were trying to experiment composting on our own. So as always, we had a number of failed attempts, and in the final attempt, what happened? We ended up with a lot of leachate flowing like a river. We had smell and we had flies problem. So then we realized that we are definitely in the wrong way and we need some experts to help us. So the next destination was our Kalika Kendra. So we reached out to Kalika Kendra, which is managed by HSR Citizen Forum and SWMRT. So we reached out to them and asked them to visit us and skill ourselves. So skill the housekeeping as well as us as to how to go about composting the right way. So that is where our journey started. So we had the visit from SWMRT and HSR Citizen Forum as well as the boys from Kalika Kendra. So they visited here and that is where we started understanding what are the mistakes we're doing and how we should start. The first problem we all had to tackle was the garbage segregation, and for that I needed a partner. Okay, so I found Dhanashri, who resonated the same thoughts that our waste is our responsibility. Both of us were following this 2-bin 1-bag system
since many years now.
Yes. So then we realized that this has to be implemented with a iron hand in the apartment. So then we reached out to the Kalika Kendra team.
Then we visited to Shobha
Dahlia.
They were doing fantastic actually, the segregation part. And so we also got motivated by them.
And we ordered for the 2-bin 1-bag kits.
Then we started a drive for the residents. Sangeeta actually presented everything, how to segregate wet waste as well as dry waste and the reject waste. And since then we started following and maintaining all this.
So you conducted training for residents and also for maids and housemaids?
Yes. So we trained the residents and the house helps. In our apartment, we had our composter in basement too, and we faced all these issues of flies and smell. So now as a corrective measure, we are relocating it to our basement 1, where there is a specific spot with ample sunlight and air circulation. The first step towards my waste, my responsibility, thanks to the mesh composters. So we have 2 mesh composters. So we started with 1. We fell in love so much with it that within the next 15 days we got a bigger one. Alright. So what we've understood is the better the ventilation, the composting is far better. And we're proud to say that in 3 months we have accumulated close to 1 ton of compost, and we could send it to an urban farmer, right, because the compost turned out to be very good quality. Getting the composter was one part, and then here we have the experts. So these are my right hand men who have made sure that the compost is happening properly. So a big thank you to the housekeeping team here. So Mr. Ajay and team, so they have been tirelessly at it. Every day the way they mix the compost, it looks like a cooking show. So they keep the measure of the wet waste, the cocoa peat, and then the garden waste and the compost which is already harvested. So they arrange it like a cooking show, like a recipe, diligently mix it and then put it. And if you look around you, you cannot spot even one speck of dirt here. So hats off to them and proud of them. It's because of them that we are able to showcase our composter as well as the compost. Never locate your composters in the basement. A composter should be in an area which is well ventilated with enough sunlight and air. So it was a healthy competition which actually made the segregation process a success.
Yes.
And no one was kind of offended or did it go into conflict?
Yes, all that was there. A few people were not very happy with the dustbins coming in the residence group, but I think since majority were on our side, that helped us. And the committee, other than us, there are 7 men in our committee who stood steadfast behind us. They never let us down. So they stood behind us, so this became a little more easier for us. When we started this whole process, it looked a daunting task, but in about the first month we needed a lot of vigilance, and the end of third month it's gone in the autopilot mode. So the key to this success would be training the housekeepers, training the residents and the house helps and the maids. All of this happened parallelly. So that is what led to the success of our composting journey.
Next steps.
The next step would be streamlining the dry waste and making sure that the dry waste reaches some dry waste collection center. Right now I don't know where it ends up.
Yes.
So right now I know where my wet waste goes. I'm proud of it. Next is my dry waste should go to a dry waste collection center and not to a landfill.
Yeah.